Hey guys, you might have seen Elon Musk saying that AI is far more dangerous than nukes, but now something strange has happened with AI weapons, and they are really changing the world. Let's watch this video.
Customer pilots directed almost 3,000 precision strikes last year. We're super proud of it. It allows you to separate the bad guys from the good. It's a big deal. But we have something much bigger. Your kids probably have one of these, right? Not quite. Hell of a pilot? No. That skill is all AI. It's flying itself. Its processor can react 100 times faster than a human. The stochastic motion is an anti-sniper feature. Just like any mobile device these days, it has cameras and sensors, and just like your phones and social media apps, it does facial recognition. Inside here is 3 grams of shaped explosive. This is how it works. Did you see that? That little bang is enough to penetrate the skull and destroy the contents. They used to say guns don't kill people. People do. Well, people don't. They get emotional, disobey orders, aim high. Let's watch the weapons make the decisions. Now, trust me, these were all bad guys. Now that is an airstrike of surgical precision. It's one of a range of products. Trained as a team, they can penetrate buildings, cars, trains, evade people, bullets, pretty much any countermeasure. They cannot be stopped. Now, I said this was big. Why? Because we are thinking big. Watch. A $25 million order now buys this. Enough to kill half a city. The bad half. Nuclear is obsolete. Take out your entire enemy, virtually risk-free. Just characterize him, release the swarm, and rest easy. Dumb weapons drop where you point them. Smart weapons consume data. When you can find your enemy using data, even by a hashtag, you can target an evil ideology right where it starts.
Now, despite their potential benefits, AI drones pose significant safety concerns. Misidentification. AI algorithms can be biased or malfunction, leading to misidentification of people or objects. A drone programmed to identify suspicious activity might mistake a harmless gathering for a potential threat. Cybersecurity vulnerabilities. AI-powered drones rely on complex software and communication networks. Hackers could potentially exploit these vulnerabilities to gain control of drones and use them for malicious purposes. Privacy intrusion. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and facial recognition software raise privacy concerns. Unregulated surveillance by AI drones could lead to a dystopian future where individual freedoms are curtailed. Weaponization. The autonomous nature of AI drones raises ethical concerns about their use in warfare. The potential for autonomous weapon systems to make life or death decisions without human oversight is a serious issue. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for much more interesting videos.